Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to your channel Cooking Astrology. So today in this video, let's try to understand planet Moon placement in the sign of Leo. What will happen when planet Moon come in the sign of Leo in your horoscope? What are the kind of results this placement is going to provide you? Its positive and negative impacts. Everything related to this placement I'm going to explain you in this video. See, planet Moon, it is a very important planet in astrology because it represents your mind, your mental behavior or the mental activities. Also, it is a very wavy planet because mind, 1 minute you are thinking that thing, second minute it is going there, third minute there. So it represents your emotional well-being as well. The kind of emotions which are present inside you, that is seen from planet Moon. Also your behavior, the level of politeness which is present inside you, or whether you are an extroverted kind of a personality or introverted. This thing is also somewhere connected with planet Moon and its placement in your birth chart. Also, it represents your mother, the relationship with your mother, the water retention system which is present inside you, or the water circulation or the blood circulation which is going through your body, that is also connected from planet Moon. And on the other hand, the sign of Leo, which is ruled by planet Sun, it is a very independent sign. Like these individuals, they are highly independent in their life. They don't love to take the help of other individuals. Also, like they tend to live alone, secluded, secular, like I'm the real king and I'm having every quality of leadership present inside me. So it is a somewhere you can also connect this sign as a dominance, like they try to dominate every other individual in this universe. Also, the sign of Leo, it represents creativity because it is originally your fifth house, which represents your mental behavior or that kind of a creative ideas. So whenever planet Moon, your mind comes in contact with the sign of Leo, first of all, it creates a person who is very independent in their day-to-day approach towards the activities. Like they don't require or they don't need help from any other person in their life. Also, their philosophy of life is totally different from rest of the individuals. Because here the sign of Leo, it creates some kind of a ego inside their personality as well. Because the kind of knowledge and the kind of wisdom they are acquiring in their life, it is somewhere leads to some kind of a mental ego. And then it becomes very difficult for them to go along with any other individual in their life, even their family members. Because in that hot-headed sign, that it is a burning sign, the sign of Leo, it is a very burning, fiery sign. And your moon, it is a that watery kind of a planet. So the emotions are completely detached whenever it comes in contact with the fire element. So they feel very bad from the inside. Suppose they have committed some kind of a mistake in their life, but they don't easily admit, like I've done this mistake. They don't going to admit that thing. Even from the inside, they know I've committed this mistake and yes, I'm on the wrong side. But still these people, they are not going to admit these kind of things in their life. Apart from this placement is very good placement if you are going into the field of media marketing or some kind of a sales or any extroverted kind of activity. Even like it is not necessary to say moon in the sign of Leo or extroverted. I have seen a lot of introverted personalities with this kind of a placement. Because with the passage of time they tend to experience such kind of ups and downs, mental ups and downs in their life. They tend to become very secluded kind of a person who don't like to talk with other people, who don't like to mingle with other people, and they tend to live alone and do something like backside work or any kind of a career which requires sole contribution. So I have also seen these kind of personalities in my life as well. Also, moon in the sign of Leo, it is a very difficult placement for you to get married in your life. Or marriage, it become very difficult placement. Because here the mental emotions have to deal with that kind of a king-like of a creature. Because of their own ego, it become very difficult to go along with their life partner as well. Especially moon in the sign of Leo. As you see here from the original sign of the Libra, it is going 11 places away. So it acts as some kind of obstruction in front of your 7th house of marriage and that kind of activities. Also, they are having no understanding towards building a strong relationship. Because these people, they are practical thinkers. Their belief system is shaped by their independent philosophies. So it becomes very difficult to go along with other individuals who are having some kind of a less capability or that kind of a thing in their life. Also, like these people, if you don't appreciate them, like suppose they are doing some kind of a work in their life and you are not appreciating them, then you will definitely get out of their friend circle, because they demands constant appreciation, so that their mind will think like, okay, I am the king. So that constantly their mind requires some kind of a, like, okay, you are doing good thing, that thing in your life. So their mind required that kind of that stigma in their life, and if you are not providing them, then you are going to stay away from their life as well. Also, like, these people, they have to understand one thing, especially moon placement in the, whenever it comes in the contact with the sign of Leo, here it is going 2 places away, so it represents some kind of a gains. So mother act as a very positive figure in their life, because the emotional connection with the mother is very, very strong whenever moon in the sign of Leo. Even though with the father it is not up to that extent, but especially with the mother, the emotional connection is very strong, because whenever any planet going 2 places away, it shows some kind of a positiveness or gains from the previous house. So gain of emotions that are seen from their previous house. Also, whenever these people, they feel hurt in their life, they immediately go towards their mother, and then they feel that kind of a mental peace, or that kind of a emotional balance whenever they are speaking with their mother, or they are living with their mother. So mother act as a very guiding light or guiding path in their life. Also, regarding their life partner, here moon is posited in the sign of Leo, and it is directly aspecting the sign of Aquarius. So these people, they tend to experience, or they tend to acquire that kind of a life partner who is very analytical in nature, tend to analyze each and every situation. Also, that their attraction towards Aquarius personalities, the main reason behind that is that because they have suffered through lot of emotional imbalances in their life, and they will feel mental peace whenever they are working towards some kind of a definite objective or definite field, or towards the betterment of some mankind, or that kind of ideas. So they are having that kind of a tendency present inside them as well, because from the inside they require some kind of a fame as well. And in order to get fame in their life, it is very important for them to go along with the 11th house of the professional friend circle of some kind of a mass people. So that kind of a people, they are highly attracted towards, who are dealing with many amount of individuals at a single time, who are like lecturing them, guiding them, already indulge in some kind of a day-to-day activities of betterment, providing betterments towards the human mankind. So they are highly, and also they are going to attract that kind of a spouse in their life as well. Also, the number one remedy for this moon in the sign of Leo is that try to indulge in more than 10 to 15 different activities in your life. Because if you are feeling free in your life, if you are having that kind of a free time, you will not acquire the mental peace. Because the sign of Leo is always that kind of energy, mental energy is present inside you. So try to do 10 to 15 tasks, or acquire more and more burden upon yourself. Take more responsibilities upon you. That is the number one remedy. Because yes, you are having that kind of inner potential present inside you, that you can do and handle every other responsibility in your life. So if you are doing that kind of activities in your life, then you will feel that kind of a mental peace. Oh my goodness, I have to look after that individuals as well. Taking responsibilities from here and there, and then you will gain your momentum in your life. Otherwise, it becomes very difficult for you to live in this present world. Also, if you are working in some kind of a job like of a situation, it is a very challenging placement, because here your mind is not going to feel that kind of a mental peace. Because here you always feel like I'm suppressed somewhere. Someone tries to suppress me a lot. So try to go towards the field which require your sole contribution, or you are on your own boss, or maybe some kind of a startup and business activity. That is going to be very, very beneficial for you rather than working under someone. So that's it, guys, from my side in this video. I hope you like my analysis regarding moon placement in the sign of Leo. If you have any queries regarding your moon placement, please contact me at my mail ID, guys. I will respond you back within 48 hours after receiving your email. So till then, subscribe my channel below and hit the like button. I will meet you very, very soon in the next video. Bye bye and take care.